In this video, we will delve into the common reasons for iPhone died and won't turn on and provide some practical solutions to help you quickly restore normal use. Part 1. Why won't my iPhone turn on after it died? Your iPhone may not turn on due to issues with the operating system, physical damage, a broken power button, or a faulty charging cable. Part 2. What to do to fix iPhone died and won't turn on problem. Simple solutions. Try doing these tricks before you try the complex methods, or even go to a repair shop. 2.1. Charge device for some time. If your iPhone's battery is completely drained, it won't turn on right away when plugged in. It needs time to charge first, so wait about 30 minutes before checking again. Daily use without powering on may also indicate a problem with the charging components. 2.2. Inspect charging accessories. Before trying to turn on your iPhone, check the charging accessories cable, port, charger for damage. Test the accessories by plugging the iPhone into a wall outlet, computer, or car charger. If they're fine, try other fixes. 2.3. Clean charging ports of iPhone. Your iPhone's charging ports may be dirty. You should try checking them and gently wipe any dust or debris from them. 2.4. Force restart iPhone. iPhone 6 and older models. Step 1. Press the side plus home keys simultaneously. Step 2. Keep pressing them and only release them when the Apple logo shows on the screen. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus models. Step 1. Hold the side button of the iPhone device and press the volume down button as well. Step 2. Release when the Apple logo shows. iPhone 8 or later models. Step 1. Quickly press and let go volume up key. Step 2. Quickly press and let go volume down key. Step 3. Long press the side button and release it when the Apple logo shows on the screen. 2.5. Restore iPhone to factory settings. With this method, you'll lose all files on your iPhone if you don't have a backup. Step 1. Link the iPhone device with iTunes. Then, put the device into DFU mode by doing this. iPhone 8 and later devices press, then quickly release the volume up key and do the same with the volume down key. Hold the side button till you get the recovery mode screen. iPhone 7 7 Plus devices hold the top side button and the volume down key simultaneously and only release them when you see the recovery mode screen. iPhone 6 and earlier devices long press the home button plus top side button simultaneously and keep holding them till you see the recovery screen. Step 2. After booting the device to DFU, iTunes will show a message saying, iTunes has detected an iPhone in recovery mode. Then click OK. Step 3. Tap Restore and agree to the terms and conditions. Now iTunes will download software and fix the dead iPhone. Part 3. Fix iPhone died and won't turn on while charging problem. Advanced solutions. Software issues may prevent your iPhone from turning on. Use third-party tools like iOS System Recovery to fix problems like a dead iPhone, white screen, or Apple logo loop. Step 1. Install the application on your PC and link the iPhone. Head to More Tools and click iOS System Recovery on the main interface. Step 2. Tap the Start icon to start fixing the iPhone. Let the iPhone enter DFU mode following the on-screen instructions. Step 3. After that, tap Repair to download firmware for your iPhone. After the firmware is downloaded, iOS System Recovery will start fixing the iPhone automatically.